Ready to create personalized offers that convert interested buyers into paying customers? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to send custom offers on Fiverr that stand out and win you more projects. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Custom offers allow you to tailor your services to specific client needs and budget requirements. When done right, they can significantly increase your conversion rate and help you land projects that don't fit your standard packages. First, access the custom offer feature by clicking Create Offer in your messages with a potential buyer, or by responding to requests in the buyer request section. This opens a detailed form where you can customize every aspect of the offer. Structure your offer clearly with a compelling title that summarizes what you're providing. Instead of custom offer, use something specific like premium website design package with 5 pages that immediately communicates value. Break down the pricing transparently so buyers understand exactly what they're paying for. Include the base service cost, any extras, and the total amount. This builds trust and reduces the chance of misunderstandings later. Set realistic delivery times based on the project scope. Custom offers often involve unique requirements, so make sure you account for any additional time needed for revisions or unexpected complexities. A crucial pro tip: always include a personalized message explaining why your offer is the perfect solution for their specific needs. Reference details from your previous conversations and highlight how your approach addresses their unique challenges. Also, consider offering a small bonus or faster delivery to make your offer more attractive compared to competitors. And just like that, you're creating custom offers that buyers can't resist. Personalized proposals show clients you truly understand their needs and are committed to delivering exactly what they want. If this guide helps you win more projects with custom offers, please give it a like. What's your secret to creating compelling custom offers? Share your best tips in the comments below. To continue improving your client relationships, subscribe for our next video on how to communicate with buyers on Fiverr. Thanks for watching.